I'm sure passive income is the ultimate goal for all those who want to achieve financial freedom and financial independence, especially at a younger age or just in general. This is because passive income is not tied to your time. You can literally make money in your sleep 24 hours. On a previous video, I said money works 365 days, 24 hours a day. And this is one of the ways the rich make their money grow, by using their money. However, not all of us can do this, which is why this video will give you practical and easy ideas on how you can start getting passive income, namely through dividend stocks, index funds, REITs, bond, Skillshare, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and bounty programs such as Audible. Hi everyone, and welcome to A While Better Life. Some of these passive income ideas might require money and some you can start without. I think it's important to note that making passive income will not make you a millionaire instantly, especially if the initial investment was quite low. But trust the power of compound interest to get you there. The excitement of waking up with more money than you had the previous night can get quite addictive. The fact that you can make money in your sleep should get your mind wondering on how to, especially since we were all taught that the harder you work, the more money you receive, which isn't always the truth. This is small scale thinking, and you won't get rich. You also won't get rich overnight with these ideas. It's important to think long term. Okay, the first way to make passive income is to buy dividend stocks. The most common way people make passive income is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. And stocks or shares can be explained as the ownership of a certain percentage of a company. If you buy Amazon shares, you now own part of it. And in exchange for being an owner, you are entitled to part of their profits. There is also the possibility that the price of the stock will go up, which will be passive income if you are trading. This is predictable cash flow for the year because the average stock market generally increases by 7%. However, you should be careful that the business is still investing in the business for business growth, and also look at the financial statements of the business to make sure it's doing good and not giving away all of their profits. Be well informed and research to minimize risk. A high dividend might be a good thing in the short run, but in the long run it might not be sustainable. So don't only look for businesses who offer the highest dividends. There are varying degrees of returns in companies, and these stay the same regardless of the stock price increasing or decreasing. You can have your pick at Johnson & Johnson, AT&T. There are so many more. Based on the average degree of return, you can make about $28 to $64 passive income a year without doing anything when you invest about $1,000. The only disadvantage to this is that dividend stocks are taxed as normal income. Therefore, to avoid paying more than you should, you can do it within a Roth IRA or 401k to minimize the tax that you pay. Index funds. Index funds are a collection of stocks of companies. It is basically a piece of everything, and you will own a small percentage of everything. Index funds are a great way to minimize the risk of buying individual stocks. Index funds allow for diversification as you will own the top performing stock. Since index funds contain many stocks up to 500, if you took the time to individually select different stocks from different companies, it would take you forever and it would generally be more expensive. Like I said before, it's important to do your research to find one suitable for you. But in general, index funds tend to do better and perform better. And they also pay dividends, and the rate of return is consistent. Even Warren Buffett recommends them. Do what you will with that information. Investing in real estate investment trust. As much as real estate is one of the best investments you can make, it does require a bit more capital and some of your time managing it. However, with real estate investment trust, where you pool money with investors and then buy property, the management part is eliminated. The money from investors is used to buy property within a certain category, which might be accommodation or supermarkets, etc. A percentage of the profits are paid as dividends to the investors. This is a passive way as you do not have to manage it. You don't deal with tenants, worry about looking for a property to buy or maintenance. There are no barriers to entry and you can invest the amount that you desire. But keep in mind, you also do not get tax benefits. Other point is you can look into bonds. Governments and companies give you the opportunity to invest in them, where you give them the loan and they return it with an interest. Majority of the time, you know how much you will receive at the end of the bond period, and this is especially guaranteed if you invest in a state bond, because the chances of the government not being able to pay you back are low compared to companies which might go bankrupt, which is why research is important. An investment in bonds also gives your investment portfolio stability, as it's less risky and you know what to expect at the end. The following ideas require a bit more active work up front, but once you've put in the work, the initial work can continue making you money even in your sleep. The first idea is YouTube. Granted, YouTube is not for everyone, but if it's something you really want to do, keep in mind that you won't see the rewards immediately. And even if you do, the rewards will most likely not be equal to your peers. YouTubers make money from advertisements set on their videos, but to get there, you obviously need to meet the requirement. YouTube requires consistency, planning your videos, researching, filming, editing, and a lot of continuous work. But once you get a backlog of videos or even an evergreen YouTube video, you can make a lot of money on YouTube. If you prefer not to be in front of the camera, you can always use your voice over a presentation or animation or whatever you desire. You can use a simple phone editing software, do your research on YouTube, SEO, dedicate to making videos, consistency, and surely your return of investment will be greater. Skillshare course. Similar to YouTube, you could record a Skillshare course and make passive income from it. I'd recommend watching Thomas Frank and Ali videos to find out more on how to do that. These courses should be on something that you're good at or have an interest in, such as editing, photography, biology, making money, basically anything you can think of. Last but not least, affiliate marketing. The most popular one being Amazon affiliate program, where Amazon gives you a percentage of the sale when someone purchases if they were directed to Amazon through your link. To build an audience takes work and you will need to market it. This is what you will need for your affiliate marketing links to be used. But again, with the amount of passive income you can make here, it would all be worth it. You can even do the bounty program such as Audible, where people can receive a free book when you direct them to Audible, and obviously you will make a commission. That's the end of the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to subscribe and to not miss any helpful videos, and like and comment to make sure more people see this video.